So I'm here with Dustin Johnson, the Chief Architect of Seeq. Tell me a little bit about Seeq's solution.
Sure. Seeq is a self-serve time series analytic product. This is the main user interface here. And here we've got the two main pieces of Seeq. The analysis is the important one here, where I can create an analysis and then put some time series data on pretty quickly. Zoom in and out, move around, and do all of this analytics tools, use them for my analysis. And again, all that data can come from any one of these, and it's totally transparent to the actual user on where that data is coming from, OCS or otherwise. And just to give you an idea of what you can do in Seeq, you can pull up some of these analyses, and this could be OCS data, Pi data, coming from Asset Framework, your SQL database, and this is your self-service analytics tool. And on the other half of it, you can take this and you can make reports. And these are kind of like Word document type things where you can import Seeq content that's generated from the analysis side.
Tell me a little bit about what you've been doing with Devon.
So with Devon for this, we've been working on OSIsoft's cloud services product and integrating that so that they could bring their Pi data up into the cloud and really get kind of a global view. And that works well because Seeq is a software as a service offering as well. We can go on-prem, but software as a service is everywhere these days, and OCS really ties together well with that.
Tell me a little bit about your experiences, being one of the first partner developers to get in there and play around with the environment. What was it like?
Sure. So OCS it's a real cloud offering. It's not just Pi up in the cloud. It's a rethink of how time series data should be done in the cloud. And from that, there's lots of different authentication mechanisms that are much more focused towards the cloud. And again, it's great that it's just a global perspective on time series data.
Excellent. And so when you think about working with a customer like Devon, what does OCS bring that's going to be new or added value that you wouldn't be getting with just like a Pi system deployment plus Seeq?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, but besides the sort of the obvious of if you're up in the cloud, then it's everywhere. It's not just on your local network. And that allows you to integrate easily with other tools, of course Seeq being one of them, but by bringing your data up into the cloud, it might seem like a small thing, but it's not. It's a bigger thing that is really empowering for an organization. So if you've got different office buildings, you don't have to worry about VPNing in to situations, there's no barriers. It's really a reduction in the overall friction between you and the insights that your time series data has. So I think it's great to integrate in with OCS. I think it really shows off the power of Seeq to be able to integrate in quickly, and I think that again, the web-based APIs really make integration quickly with OCS.
Is that currently kind of just in a testing mode? Is it anything that you've moved out of production? What's the current status on it?
Right, so OCS is in limited availability, and Seeq's support of OCS is also in limited availability. But we hope that it's something that we can field as soon as OCS becomes general availability.